Hello and welcome to today's podcast on the role of pharmacy in ensuring medication safety. I'm Nur Arifah Julai Kamege and I'm joined by two distinguished head pharmacy. First, we have Muhammad Fahri Antu, a community pharmacy with years of experience in patient education. Welcome, Fahri.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
And we also have Jawa Asakra, a hospital pharmacy specializing in clinical intervention and medication safety program. Welcome, Awa.
Thank you for having me.
Let's dive right in. Medication safety is a critical aspect of healthy care. Can you start by sharing how community pharmacy contribute to ensuring medication safety?
Of course, in community pharmacy, we are often the first point of contact for patients. Our role includes ensuring prescription and accurate counseling patients on how to take their medication properly and identifying potential drug interaction. For example, if a patient comes in with a new prescription, we always check it against their existing medication to ensure there are no risks of harmful interaction.
That's a vital role. Do you also find that patients often have misconception about their medication?
Absolutely, a lot of patients think, for instance, that over-the-counter drugs are always safe, which is true in their taken alongside certain prescription. Education is key.
Awa, what about in hospital setting? How do hospital pharmacy contribute to medication safety?
In hospital, the stakes are often higher because patients are typically dealing with complex medical conditions. We review medication orders, monitor for adverse drug reaction, and adjust doses based on factors like kidney or liver function. One critical aspect is being part of multidisciplinary teams where we collaborate with doctors and nurses to ensure optimal therapy for each patient.
Can you give an example of a situation where your intervention prevented a serious medication error?
Sure, recently we had a case where a patient received a high dose of a blood thinner for an elderly patient. After reviewing the patient card, I noticed that their kidney function was impaired, which would have made the standard dose dangerous. I recommended a lower dose, and the adjustment likely prevented a serious death.
That's amazing. It highlights how pharmacy acts as a safety net. Fahri, do you collaborate with other healthcare professionals as well?
Yes, especially with doctors and nurses in outpatient settings. If we notice any red flags in a prescription, we call the prescribing doctor to clarify. Collaboration is essential for ensuring that patients receive the right treatment.
Speaking of collaboration, what do you both thinking about involving patients more in their medication management?
I think it's crucial. When patients understand their treatment, they're more likely to adhere to it. We always encourage patients to ask questions and share any concerns.
I agree. In the hospital, we also education patients before discharge, especially if they're on new medication. For example, explaining the signs of potential side effects can help patients know when to seek help.
This has been such an insightful discussion. It's clear that pharmacy play a pivotal role in ensuring medication safety, both community and hospital setting. Before we wrap up, do you have any final thought or tips for our listeners?
Yes, I'd say never hesitate to ask your pharmacy question. We're here to help and ensure you're using your medication safely.
And I add, always keep a list of your medication and share it with your healthcare provider. It's a simple step that can prevent many issues.
Great advice. Thank you both for joining today. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in. Stay informed and take care.